Hello, I'm Scott Maier with Artist Network, and I want to invite you to a very special drawing event I'm calling I Spy Drawing Together Family Edition. Do you have a child, grandchild, niece, or nephew that you really want to draw with, or perhaps a friend that has always told you, one day I'll learn how to draw? Well, on August 11th at 3 p.m. Eastern, I am hosting a new live event where together we will draw a realistic eye. The eye is a perfect subject for artists young and old to build your skills of observation and to learn how to draw realistically. We'll start by drawing basic symbols, practice recording our observations, and then tackling a finished eye drawing. And it follows my approach to drawing seen in my Drawing Together live stream, as well as my book, See, Think, Draw. This is really about embracing the challenge of drawing and showing that anyone can do it if you simply have the right tools and support. I really hope to see you, your friends, and your family on August 11th at 3 p.m. Eastern for I Spy Drawing Together Family Edition.